In this video, I will guide you through some features of Game Bar on Windows. To enable this tool, press the key combination Win+G. The Game Bar interface is now displayed. In the Capture section, there will be options such as taking screenshots, recording the screen, or recording audio. In the Audio section, you can adjust the volume of each application to your liking. Performance will display the performance parameters of CPU, GPU, RAM, and current FPS on your computer. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.